Hello students, hope all of you are fine. From today I am going to start your half-yearly syllabus. So in your half-yearly syllabus, the first chapter is force. Although remember one thing that you have to read the whole book. Okay. So let us start. It is class 9, subject physics, chapter 2. Name of the chapter is force and laws of motion. Now introduction. Students, listen one thing that I will go through whole the chapter, all the topics from your chapter. So please listen the videos carefully and you will must be benefited. See. So in your book you will see at the first topic is introduction. So in introduction what they have said? They said that previously in previous chapter we have learnt about the motion, and in that chapter we have also learnt what things, that acceleration, then velocity, speed, motion, circular motion, uniform circular motion, all these things. But we have not discussed about that what is the cause of generating this motion, means who generates this motion. Ever this question strike in your mind that for why this motion generates, or the how this motion generates? Yes, so this motion generates because of the force. Okay, why this motion generates? This motion generates because of the force. See, it is written the causes of motion is the force, means whenever we apply force on any object, the object becomes in motion. It in some cases the when we are applying the force, the body may also not move, the motion may not occur, but its shape will change. But if it is asked that who generates motion, so then our answer is only force. Okay, next topic, what causes acceleration? What causes acceleration? So acceleration means, you know what is the meaning of acceleration? Acceleration means rate of change of velocity, and its formula is equals to a equal to v minus u by t, where velocity, v is the final velocity and t is the time interval. T is not time, t is time interval. Okay, and a is the acceleration. So what causes acceleration? Means suppose there is any body, in that body that rate of change of velocity occurs because of what reason? So its answer is unbalanced forces. Because of the unbalanced forces, acceleration occur. So what is this unbalanced force? Unbalanced force means, to understand the unbalanced force, at first I have to explain about the balanced force. Suppose you hold any object which is of a weight of 3 kg. At your palm you have hold that object. So that time earth is exerting one force towards downwards, and your palm is also exerting the same force to upwards. So that time that force is balanced force, means the force given by the earth is balanced by your hand, so the object is not falling. That means from the both side the force is applying on the body, but the body is still not in motion because it is balanced force. But in the second case, when earth is exerting the body, and suppose you are holding that body in your palm, on your palm, and suddenly you have taken your hand away, means anyhow it slipped from your hand, then what will happen? That opposing force which your hand was giving, that will be removed and body will be unbalanced, means the body will get force from only one side, so body will fall down towards the earth. Clear? So this is the unbalanced force. Again, another example, this was the force of gravity. Now I am taking the another example. Suppose anybody pushed you and with certain force, and you are to able to protect yourself from that force. So protection means you are also exerting the same amount of force. So anyhow, then you will not fall down from your place. But if you cannot bear that force, means you cannot balance that amount of force, then you will fall down or you will be displaced, means motion will be occurred in you. Another example, suppose there is a ball or suppose there is a box, heavy box. In that box, if you are applying force, then little amount of force, then the body will not be displaced, because that body will be balanced by its own opposing force. But when application of force is more than the opposing force applied by the box, that time the box will be shifted. Okay, so hope this thing is clear to you. What causes acceleration? So who causes acceleration? It is force. Sorry, it is not force. It is unbalanced force. Who causes acceleration in the body? In the body, that is unbalanced force. It is not only force. You have to tell that it is unbalanced force. So why? So it is clear to you that why every object falls towards the earth, or what causes acceleration in the body, and this value. And one more thing, when any body is falling towards the earth, its speed slowly increases. That also you have to remember. Okay. In my next video, you will see about the balanced force and unbalanced force. So bye bye for now, and thank you for watching.